My name is Asil Austin Arabi. I'm 17 years old. I was born in Haifa. Then we moved to Arab.
It's hard to believe that when we were at Seeds of Peace, we were so hopeful about the future.
A young Palestinian citizen of Israel, member of a promising peace organization, was killed by Israeli police during demonstrations.
אני זוכר גם, כאילו, מהשנה שלי היה כמובן את השיא לאסלה, שהיה פצע...
אני לא כל כך רוצה לדבר עליו.
You said, you will not understand the beauty of everything till it's gone. Well, now it is.